We will now show you how to import and use object templates. Open the Asset Library to show all assets. Click on Common Components and select the Analog Display Object Template asset. Note you can preview its associated graphic forms. Download and import the Analog Display Object Template to the Object Repository. From here you can view all imported assets. Note the new Analog Display Object Template. Right-click on this object and click Create New Instance. This will bring up a dialog that can be used to create an instance of the template. In the dialog, fill in the required details. In this case, we have named the instance Flow1, the agent name also Flow1. Next, select the device you would be using and fill in the scan address. Click Finish to create the new instance. You notice the system generates the required configuration as per the selection on the creation dialog. This includes the agents, alarming, scanning, logging, and security as per the original design. This instance of the analog display is now available for you to use in your project.